Let us watch the 2 minutes video which is used as a launch video of Suboohi during the CABE meeting in Vigyan Bhavan, Delhi. Let us understand what is Suboohi. Now editing team, so you all watch the audio and video both for understanding what is Suboohi is about. Go to any university, you will get a product there, and we are giving a demo of this product now. And this product right now we selected is called Urkund from Sweden, based on the technical parameter we mentioned. And there are other software as well, but since we have access to this, we are showing you kind of. Again, there will not be any write-up on this because all things are available on their website. The website name is urkund.com. So let us go to that website and try to log in and use my account where I have already done some of the plagiarism check document. Now let us see that how it is working now. Again, cut. So you have seen the video now. You understood that how the country is going to address the ethical issues in higher education sector in the coming years. And I should compliment and thank all the participants, e-learners here, because you got a golden opportunity of updating yourself, which is happening just in the month of September. And the university started using it, and you are very rare students in this lot who witnessed the policy decision of this government. And the same tool I am going to show you here. So with this module, we will be ending our entire research ethics workshop. So we have addressed almost all issues on that. I'll be available on the mail. So let us go to see the tool which is under this Suboohi, which is called Urkund. The software is from Sweden, and universities in the country, 200 universities are already using the software in the last 3 years. Even when we tried to select a new software, again the same software got selected, and will be now all the 1,000 university will start using it. 3 lakh users, 10 lakh documents provision is made, but if it is required, we will again increase the document submission. So this software, when we took under Suboohi, one document is considered as 20 pages. So if you have a 21-page document, that will be treated as 2 submissions. And university, we have given a quota, soft cap, based on the research scholar and faculty members. So right now the software is giving to faculty members, all permanent faculty members, as well as the research scholars in the university. So let us see the screen of Urkund, that is www.urkund.com. Over to the screen. Now what you see is that Urkund screen, and you can see that how it works is there, and in top there are few menus about services, student, partners, career blog, contact, etc. Even support is there, and there is a language button next to here. So this is generally, basically it is developed for English and the other allied languages like Spanish, German, etc., that is still there. But if you are using Unicode, even Hindi can be submitted on this. Now login button is in the right side. You click on the login button. Can we scroll down a little bit so that we can see? We are scrolling down what is there. Now the different services, secondary school can use, higher school, and corporate also can buy the software, purchase and come down again. So it's showing, if you want to take a demo, there is a form to be filled, get a sample demo on that and come down. That is come down, and then what is the latest post, best summer, and coming down to that. Let us quickly have a look at the last up to join our journey and all that. This is all that, and who are the industry people and corporates using this software, or where it can be integrated. All these are given, and ultimately the write-up is there on that, and some of the report which is appearing. This is what is the home page stand for. But we are not bothered about home page. We click on directly on the login. If you are a faculty member or research scholar, you click on the login, and there are two, it appears two login. One is on the left side, which is for the user, and other is for the right side, which is for, you see, Urkun Statistic Administration Tool, URSA tool. This is used only by the university administrator as well as the national administrator. But if you are a user, you click on the left side. So we are going to click on that where orange color is there, red is for. And now you can log in. There are two ways of login into that. One is that there will be a user ID and password assigned to you. That generally the user ID is your official email ID which you give to the university coordinator or to us. So it's an email ID or the username and then password. Now right side, it also, if you are using something called Shibboleth, single sign-in, many universities in Western countries use it. India we have started in InfluMnet. So InfluMnet will be listed on that. If you are having that Shibboleth login ID credential for your university should implement it, then you can use that also. That is one time, if you have already logged into Shibboleth any application, it will directly go. As if you are Facebook, if you are logged in, it will next time when Google Gmail, it will ask you whether you continue with that, similar kind of logic. So it is single sign-on in the right side. But we are going right now with the left as an individual user. So let us type the username and password. We'll use the username and password here. It can be your email ID. So we are trying to type the email ID with this here, and can we have a cut on that? Now let us use the normal user login screen where you will see the username column, password, and have you forgotten your password, and this, let me type the username now. Password is already taken because it is already taken, and click on the login. Now login mein click ho gaya. Now it has come to a screen. This is what is called the dashboard. So can you see the analysis address? This software create an analysis address in the top of it. Can we make it a little bit bigger to see that? I will make it. It has been highlighted. It has been highlighted. Now look at the analysis address highlighted. IETD 2016. Actually, we have created this for our conference, so I am showing that this .infl. So your institute your name .infl. The other part will be almost same for an analysis. So you have to remember two email ID. One is your original email ID, which will be used for login. Second one is analysis, which is created. Now this is dashboard. If you look at the dashboard in top of it, you will see that Urkun logo is there in the left side. So whenever that logo you click, it will get a refresh. And right side you have help and upload document, the most important button on the screen, upload. Can we upload document, and after that you have she clicked on that upload button, and now it is asking for submission of a document. Now let me see the first how to submit. Now there are upload again coming back to the dashboard. Can you cut please? So upload document is the most important key here. We will upload a document later, but right now what I am going to show you the complete dashboard of Urkun, where you can see the after analysis address. We have a box here. I can have one or two or many analysis address. Here it is only one, but one is there in the down also. So there are two analysis address created for me, and then you can see that new folder. So whenever you arrange, you can click on that, you can create a code. This also can be used to creation a course code and assign to students, and you can put deadline of the submission here. And you can also have anonymous. The second portion can be highlighted that. Let me highlight that analysis, anonymous, and deadline. So this is anonymous means your supervisor will not know who is sending it. Email ID will not be displayed. But generally we suggest that don't do that for creation of this, and year and submission date, and then update it, then it will be updated. But right now I am not doing it, just cancelling it, and that is next one is the settings. Now for every user you have a settings option. First time you have to set it up. Click on the settings, and I'll click on the settings, and now name can be changed, email can be changed if you want, language can be changed, but it is better you always use English. There is no other Indian language here. Then when you submit a document, do you want to get the report in mail? Then that option is there. By default, send the report by email is there. Then their newsletter you are subscribing, I will remove that newsletter. I don't want to get their newsletter, so I removed it. And whether I should search in Urkund archive, that Urkund has a lot of paper of their own, which is publicly available, or otherwise which is not publicly available, which is submitted by student paper. Sometimes people will tell, okay, you can consider my paper when others submit, but sometimes they will tell, don't include my paper for this. That is the option here. So search in Urkund. Other one is include document in this inbox. So you can if down I will write www.influminet.ac.in. that is for source filter. That means this website will not be considered while checking. If everything is submitted from Influminet's website and everybody will have a write-up on Influminet, why should we check it? So you can give your own website can be, but repository don't avoid it, library material don't avoid it, but your normal website can be avoided. So I update it, click on, I'm updating on that. Now you are in the dashboard, and you are seeing now this is the board which I checked it. Now you can go to the next page, etc. Come down to that. These are the document already submitted. The tick mark sign which you can see, I will make it a little bigger now, so you can see tick mark sign. The tick mark sign which shows that it is already done. After that you might have given some comments. That comments will appear on that box. In this box, so if you click on one of it, let us see that what is the comment. This is the comment given, nothing is given on the first. Can we have that other, any of that text? So it is typed as text. Generally I suggest that when you are giving any document submission, include that page, this is test demo checked or first assignment check the faculty, so you will understand the message itself that it is there. And then you will see different color here, and one document shows there is an exclamation mark. That means you have to go to that document. There could be some special character included. It could be a manipulation by the student, or it could be the a document which cannot understand by the software. So that need a special attention. That's why exclamation stands anywhere is that. Now let us see that 2-3 colors are there. Have you seen the green color here? Green shows that there is no plagiarism. It is 0%. So you don't need to worry about this document because nothing is copied on this. Now other one you can see light yellow 1%. Coming again, the second document is light yellow, and third document is little dark, then coming to orange, then coming to the first document. If you look, we tried with something Shodhganga 45. So anything between 40 and 60, it will be shown that. And I repeat here, the percentage level as per UGC policy document, as per which is already discussed by Dr. Manorama Trivedi, is that 0 to 10% is negligible, 10 to 40% is level 1, 40 to 60%. So here it comes on that 40 to 51 level 2. And if it is a published article on this level, there is punishment already spelled out by the UGC notification. So let me take one of the report, maybe the first report itself I am taking, which has more. Now look at this. This is a we have given show on that, and I request the researcher to give proper name to the document, not just simple one word name. You can tell that. Now it shows it is taking to analysis overview. So analysis overview show that new Urkund, that means Urkund is known. If you are clicking there, it will take you to the old report style, which all right, I am taking you to the old report style. Now old report style, trying new Urkund, no thanks. So now you are in the old report style of this. Now we can go back to again to new report. Here it is very easy to read everything in the old report, but new report have so many new features on that. So here there are 3 panels. The panel number 1 in the left can be, I will just make it a little bit more bigger for panel. So the panel 1 big panel, first one panel, then the second panel, and the third total panel divided into 2 parts. So the color change which comes here, this is the original where external source is written is the original, which day, from which source. Actually we have taken this into InfluMNet website, one document created, that's why. So it's a writing about Shodhganga. So it's already showing, the software showing that this Shodhganga content is taken 89% from this website, the blog, complete blog. It is not about the full article, but only blog. So if you, and you will see that there are 3-4 parallel lines in the left. That means the same content is available in many sources. So you click on one of the source, it will take, but I am not clicking right now, and see the left side. Now I request you to watch this 60%. What is written? 60% of one. This is a 1-page document consisting of text present in 5 sources. This 1 page has source from 5 sources. The sources are showing in differently. So I am removing all the source and see that this is 0. I am removing all the source. Now it is 0 because I told the software don't consider any of this link for checking. So it's 0. Now let me put one by one. The first link I am selecting, how much percentage? That means its first percentage, complete 60% is there itself in the first link. And what about the second link? How much percent? 47%. And remove it. Now first and third and second and third link 47%. Fifth link 44% only second. Fifth link, sixth link. Now this can be make use. What I am doing right now is selecting or deselecting a source. If you have cited a quotation from one of this link, let us see that to 4th link. The 4th link is a quotation you have cited already. You remove that, you have the remove. Now 1% is removed. But this should be done by the supervisor. You don't have any right to do this. Now this is how a report look like. Now let us go back. Here you can see something this in the bar. Show disabled alternative matches. So if I click on that, all alternative matches also will be given. And in this area, right side, can you see a bar here? That means this is the topmost copied content in this, and it can be extrapolated clicking on that. So click on that 89%. If you have taken from different paragraph, it will show you block 1, block 2, block 3 in the same itself. So this document has not taken anything on that. And click on this 40%, it's 69%, no? It's okay. Now this is disabled. I am enabled again here by clicking alternative. Alternate. Now look, there are another point, hide detailed text differences. So see, right side, the color changed. So what is the changes made in the second original document or in the copied document? That will original document color, and that is not here. That means that is almost changed in this. That's why it is 89%, not 100%. So the text is taken, some changes are made. That will be shown with the second option. If there is a quotation, it will show here, and there is no quotation in this. So if there is parenthesis, it will show. So this is put into parenthesis. Parenthesis means generally references are giving in any style, API, etc. It gives in the brackets. So bracket will be automatically shown in the report, so that you come to know that okay, this is a quote taken that. So this is all about this. At the end of it, you feel that this report. Let me take one or two. Select all. Okay. Select all and select all. 60. For I am assuming something that coming back down and remove 2-3 links which is cited. But let me remove 2-3 links. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there is no change in this because this is already available in the main source. Remove main source. Now main source is removed. 13%, 2 sources removed. What is the result now? 36%. And the supervisor feels that these 2 links are already cited in all the rules which is mentioned. Citation rules, copied, and university allows, policy allows it. Now this becomes the final plagiarism. This can be downloaded by clicking here. There is an export button, export. Clicking on this, you will see that exporting the analysis into PDFs. Please stand. So it is downloaded here. You can see here it is downloaded. You can open the full report, and I suggest if it is final, download the report and keep it with the researcher for lifetime. You can download and send it to the mail and keep it there. Whenever it is asked, you can see the full report. This will let us see how a report looks like. Now this is the full downloaded report. So it shows that 36% is the significance level of similarity done on this date on this document, and the source include is from this infiltrated at a glance Shodhganga brochure se copy kiya tha. There are 2 instances that there. Then coming down, it will show you the full text difference. Now it is showing that this is the PDF, it is copied, and this line left side yellow extended line shows that these are the portions copied in the first block. And next one, this is the second paragraph available, next copied before objective, next one. So similarly it's showing that from this comparison of this. So any software, this will be shown. This is the old interface we are seeing. Let me go to the new interface. That also is very important. Trying to go back to the new interface. New interface is very simple. The matching test will show in the color. If it is 1 page, how much is copied is showing this block. This is 1 page. If 5 pages are there, can we, I'll just take a report which is significant. This is 1 page with 10-15 pages. Now let me take you into the new interface report. Report is there now. Analysis overview. This is having 4 pages. If you look at 4 pages, 4 total content finding. And can you see the color difference? Wherever is that orange or yellow kind of color appeared, that is the copied content. Then in first page there are so many instances of copying. Second page, in fourth page if you see, one big block is copied into top and a small block is copied. So this gives a pictorial representation of that where the copied content is available in a page. Very easy to find out, and there is details are given here. There are 27 incident on the all 4 where with the similarity and you can click on that matching test. It will show you how. So it is showing previous highlight coming down. You can insert quote also, you can put it on, so that we understand quote. Bracket also we can put it on. And now look at that document. You see that UCB has gained acceptability on this from that, and where from it is coming, it is this. If you don't want to include this in analysis, second matching test, 93% is matching in the second test popularity, that is taken from NCBI. So this way, if you click in, I can exclude this first one. I excluded this because I find that this is already cited. Now coming down, this all total similarity is 30% here. So it's a document about paper Urkund, and coming down, the next highlights. I'm going to the next copied content, and next one, it is 84. Next one, it's again same from the same link. Next one, it is 100% match for this block from business doc. So you see this link also. This is from web. W stand for, it is taken from web, and SA stand for source, alternative source. So this out of 26, 2 I checked. We can go next highlight, next highlight. So you see next highlight, scroll down. Next highlight, scroll down. Now it is fourth source 81%. So all 26 line by line I can check it, and from where it is taken I can even go to that. This is how the check how copied content appears in a report. So the entire document you can see, sources it will show, sources. Now the finding. Now it could be assignment school assignment, I made a mistake on that. W is website, J is journal, and S is school assignment. That means it is appearing from the student paper itself. So wherever, here it is W, first source is W, second is W, web sources. Coming down, let us see that FWW, all are web sources, Babylon, Babylon, Babylon. So these are, most of the content is taken from web only, especially from NCBI website. It may be an article related in medicine. Coming down now, that so entire document. We are seeing that right now entire document. In entire document, it will show you where it is copied, where it is that, where this is in bracket included, and this is cited. Easily you are getting that this is cited, Unicode code, and the other one is also cited, the first HC, so you can remove it. So let us say that this is bracket is 1986 quoted. So come here, and this is already given, so I tell that this need not be included. Yes, next one. Click on that. The first one removed now. Second one, this is removed. Now second one, remove. Second also removed. Third one, removed. Because there are small changes. Like this, every paragraph, if you feel it is a small function or a formula, there, as I mentioned, we can exclude few things such as like common knowledge, quotation, bibliography. All this can be excluded. References, all this can be excluded from the plagiarism check. And so if a reference is showing a similarity, you can remove it here. So that this provision is there in every software. This is how you are removing the plagiarized content from the software. So I am showing a case study of Urkun as an example for plagiarism check.